Hello, everyone. So today we're gonna cover kind of a fun little thing you can do in Python, and sort of helps serve as a good introduction to um, other ideas and techniques we'll use throughout the year, and that is called the turtle module. So the way it works is it's like this little graphical thing where you can give your turtle a bunch of commands to move forward, turn left, right, so on and so on. So let's just take a look at that. You're going to start using the Python shell because I think it helps um, paint like a really decent picture of how this is all working, rather than writing out like the entire script for it at once. So first, let's import turtle, import the turtle module. Then we have to create our turtle. I'm just going to call it T. Say it's equal to turtle dot pen, just like that. And now this other window will pop up right there. And that little arrow you can see is basically our turtle. So now that we've got our turtle set up, we can start giving it stuff to do. So, for example, it can move forward by just using command T dot forward. And then inside your parentheses, you want to give it a value. So how many pixels is it going to move over? If I say 100, hit enter, and you can see the arrow moves a bit. It can also move backward. So T dot backward, 100, and it'll move back to the starting position. To make this a little bit clearer, let's turn down the speed. T dot speed. 1, I believe, is the slowest speed, and then 2 is faster, 3 is faster, so on and so on. And this will give us, an easier time seeing what's actually going on. And actually, maybe, um, T dot, I forget what the command is. T dot pen size. Man, I have no idea what the numbers mean, but let's just do like 4. Alright. Now, let's move it forward. Again, 100. Alright, so now the pen size is a bit bigger. It makes a thicker line, and it moves a little bit slower, so we can have a better idea of what it's doing. Okay, now what else? Oh, we can do turns. We can have a left turn or a right turn. So let's, and you can see the direction the arrow is facing, so it's like relative to how the arrow itself is facing. So let's make a left turn, and then you can see we have to specify what angle we want the turtle to turn by. So if I want it to turn 90 degrees, I would put a 90 in there. If I hit enter, you see the arrow sort of rotates, and now it's facing upward. And of course, now I can move my turtle again forward. I don't know, 200, and now it moves in that direction. So if I wanted to, I don't know, make a cool shape like a rectangle, we can just have it make another 90-degree left turn, and then move it forward 100, and then another left turn, T dot left, and then T dot forward for 200 spaces. And that completes our rectangle. So as you can see, we can sort of make some simple shapes out of it. It's nothing too crazy, but it gives it, and it gives a nice idea on like some basic kind of programs where we have like an object, this turtle object that we can use all these different methods with, and so on and so on. Let's reset everything. How to do that? T.reset. All right. Yep. And then it goes back to the default position. So one other thing you can do is draw circles. T.circle. And the number in the parentheses would be the radius of the circle. So let's do like 50. And we can see it draws the circle. And we can sort of create like a chain of these circles, move forward. How about 75? And then we'll have it make another circle. And we can see it can just keep on going like that. And you can get some sort of cool patterns out of it. It's pretty interesting. One other thing. Reset. What? I don't know what that is. T.re. Oh, I know what happened. Yep, there we go. Let's see that. Pen size. Put it to 4. Speed. Let's set it back to 1. All right. So the circle method can also take multiple arguments. So what I mean by that is, all right, let's say, all right, radius of 50, comma, and then I'm gonna put 180, and let's go. And you can see it has drawn half of a circle. That's 180 part is basically the arc of the circle that you're drawing, 180 degrees. And if I wanted to complete it, you know, we could do a left turn, T.left 90, and then T.forward. If the radius is 50, would that be 100? Let's see. Yep. And now we got a semicircle. So pretty cool. And then let's reset it one more time. Pen size. Let's do 3. And the speed back at 1. And then, all right, let's get the circle method could take one more argument. So radius of 50. Man, I gotta remember how this goes. 3 arguments. So I don't know. We'll do 360. And let's do 6. Let's see if I did this right. Yep. All right. So what just happened there is you gave it the circle command. It's got a radius of 50, distance from the center to one of the sides. But notice this is a 6-sided figure. It's a hexagon. So these programs, you know, to draw circles, they're just kind of like, it's not a true circle. It's just a very large number of sides of the figure. And essentially what we're doing is just limiting the number of sides to 6 in this case. 360 degrees means draw the entire circle, not just half of it. So to see what would happen if we put like 180 or something, let's just move it forward a bit. I'm going to do T.circle, same radius, but now 180, but also 6 sides. If we do that, we get a 5. You can see it, or I mean, not 5. You still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, but only for a 180 degree arc. So it's got some like little weird behaviors like that, but it's also pretty interesting. And in the next video, we'll see how we can, you know, come up with some cool ways to, well, make some interesting stuff and um, create more like sophisticated pictures and all that. So I'll see you in the next video.